Okay, this is how you set up your initial profile in Civic Mirror. I will have given you a slip that looks like this, and you go to the link that's provided for you in Google Classroom, civicmirror.com/login.php. Click on the link, and you'll have this screen, and write exactly what is provided for you on the slip of paper I gave you. Use Andrew's. Make sure that if it's capitalized, you capitalize it, etc. Put in the password just as it's written, and log in. Once you're in, you'll want to click up here to update your profile. First thing you want to do is change your password to your student ID. Otherwise, you'll end up forgetting your password. Each day that you forget your password and have to ask me for it, that's an issue of your class participation for that day. So the easiest thing for you to do is put your student ID as your password. Now, if you have a bunch of friends who know your student ID, then you may wish to put this password as something a little different, but the best thing is your student ID unless you've shared that with too many people. Okay. So I'm putting in a new password, as you should, and then click Update Settings. Then you need to screenshot this where it says Settings were updated successfully to show that you actually took the time to change your password. So click the button to take the screenshot, and then we're going to update your profile picture. Click on Profile Picture, and you need to upload a profile picture that's just like Andrew did, that's just your face. Not from the chest high, not from waist high, not from your a full body shot, but just your face so that people can identify you. Some people will simply not know your name, and then it'll be harder for them to purchase things from you, which then, of course, means it's harder for you to make money. So you can take a picture using the Chromebooks. They have a program for you to take your own picture. Then you can find it by clicking Choose File. It'll be available. It'll look different in Chromebook. Hopefully somebody can help you find that. But if not, I can help you with that. I'll make a separate video for that. And then upload that profile picture. And then again, take a screenshot showing your updated profile picture. Again, you will not get any credit until it is uploaded correctly. Waist high, chest high, full body shots will not earn any points, nor will distorted pictures. Then the final step is to name your family members. So you click on My Family, and you don't need to put what gender they are or what age they are or give them a bio of any kind. You don't have to do that. I mean, if you want to, you can. But what you do need to do is edit and give them names and say what the relationship is. If it's your dad, your brother, your boyfriend, your cousin, your BFF, you determine that for each person, and then screenshot your work, and you're done with this particular assignment. You click Turn In.